1932 Ford Zipper Coupe. Price: $19,250. Mileage: 950 miles. Location: Austin, Texas.
Let's walk around on the 32 Ford Zipper. Six-cylinder. Power windows. No bumpers. No poppers. 5-speed transmission. Less than 1,000 miles on the bill. Automatic fence rear. Interior. Sunroof.
This unique 1932 Ford Zipper Coupe is a custom hot rod that blends classic 1930s styling with modern street rod craftsmanship. Finished in a striking red exterior, the car features a fiberglass body built on a custom chassis, giving it the aggressive look and lightweight performance that hot rod enthusiasts love. With only 950 miles on the build and paired with an automatic transmission, this coupe is designed for smooth cruising while still delivering the bold presence of a traditional hot rod. The Zipper-style body gives this 1932 Ford a distinctive silhouette that stands out among typical street rods. Its custom construction, modern components, and low mileage make it a great option for car shows, weekend cruising, or adding a rare hot rod to a collection. If you're looking for a standout vintage-style street rod with classic hot rod attitude and modern drivability, this 1934 Ford 5-window coupe street rod. Price: $52,500. Mileage: 21,500 miles. Location: Newbury Park, California. This stunning 1934 Ford 5-window coupe is a beautifully built street rod that combines classic hot rod styling with modern drivability. Finished in a bold yellow exterior with a tan interior, this custom coupe stands out with its timeless 1930s design and carefully crafted details. With 21,500 miles on the build and equipped with an automatic transmission, the car offers smooth cruising performance while maintaining the aggressive presence expected from a high-quality hot rod. The build is described as extremely well thought out, showcasing the craftsmanship and attention to detail that goes into a proper street rod. Whether you're heading to car shows, weekend cruises. 1932 Ford 3-window coupe hot rod. Price: $42,500. Mileage: 1,932 miles. Location: Monroe, Georgia. This beautifully crafted 1932 Ford 3-window coupe is a professionally built hot rod that combines classic styling with serious performance. Finished in an eye-catching blue exterior with an off-white interior, this iconic coupe delivers the timeless look that makes early 1930s Fords some of the most desirable hot rods ever built. With only 1,932 miles on the build, the car remains fresh and well-maintained. Under the hood sits a powerful 425 Buick Nailhead V8, a legendary engine known for its torque and distinctive hot rod heritage. The engine is paired with a magneto-ignition system and AT5 5-speed manual transmission, giving the car a perfect blend of classic muscle and engaging driving performance. Built using high-quality components including a Gibbon fiberglass body, this hot rod showcases professional craftsmanship and careful attention to detail. 1947 Mack L85 Fire Truck. Price: $54,900. Mileage: 21,318 miles. Location: Newfield, New Jersey. This beautifully restored 1947 Mack L85 fire truck is a rare piece of American firefighting history, preserved in outstanding condition and ready to impress collectors and enthusiasts alike. With 21,318 original miles, this classic open-cab fire engine has been professionally restored and carefully maintained as part of a private collection, always garage kept to preserve its historic character. The truck includes all the classic bells, whistles, and firefighting equipment that make vintage Mack fire trucks so iconic. Its authentic design and restoration make it perfect for parades, car shows. 1923 Ford Model T T-Bucket Hot Rod. Price: $12,500. Mileage: 1,234 miles. Location: Lynchburg, Ohio. Turn heads everywhere you go with this classic 1923 Ford Model T T-Bucket, a lightweight hot rod icon built for fun and style. Finished in a sleek black exterior with matching black interior, this custom street rod captures the timeless spirit of traditional hot rodding. With only 1,234 miles on the build and equipped with an automatic transmission, this T-Bucket offers an exciting driving experience with the simplicity and charm that made these hot rods legendary. Known for their compact design, exposed engine styling, and aggressive stance, T-Buckets are a staple of the American hot rod scene and are perfect for cruising, local car shows, or weekend fun. If you're looking for an affordable entry into the classic hot rod world with unmistakable vintage character, this 1923 Model T T-Bucket is ready to hit the road and steal the spotlight. 1931 Ford Model A Hot Rod. Price: $22,500. Mileage: 500 miles. Location: Cisco, Texas. This custom 1931 Ford Model A Hot Rod is a powerful blend of classic styling and high-performance upgrades. Built on a 1932 Ford frame, this hot rod delivers the iconic early 1930s look with improved strength and stance. Finished in a bold orange exterior with a black interior, the car has a striking presence and only 500 miles on the build. Under the hood sits a legendary 331 Chrysler Hemi engine, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 4.10 positive traction rear end, providing strong acceleration and reliable performance. The build also features Fenton front wheels, adding to its traditional hot rod character and aggressive stance. 1934 Chevrolet Victoria Vicky Street Rod. Price: $55,000. Mileage: 3,297 miles. Location: New City, New York. This beautifully restored 1934 Chevrolet Victoria, Vicky, is a stunning classic street rod that blends vintage 1930s styling with modern performance and comfort. Finished in an elegant blue exterior with a beige interior, this custom build has been completely redone and carefully maintained by its original owner. With just 3,297 miles on the build, the car remains in excellent condition and ready for the road or show circuit. With its detailed restoration, clean presentation, and classic Victoria body style, this car stands out at car shows, cruises, and collector events. 1949 Mercury 8 Hot Rod. Price: $33,999. Mileage: 12,345 miles. Location: Cumming, Georgia. Step into classic post-war American style with this 1949 Mercury 8 Hot Rod, a rare and beautifully crafted street rod that commands attention wherever it goes. Finished in satin black exterior with a striking white interior, this Mercury 8 blends vintage elegance with hot rod flair. Its clean lines, bold color contrasts, and iconic Mercury styling make it a standout among classic cars. Powered by a manual transmission and built with attention to detail, this car delivers an engaging and authentic driving experience while preserving the charm of late 1940s automotive design. 1969 Chevrolet 1500 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price: $57,900. Mileage: 7,538 miles. Location: Houghton Lake, Michigan. This 1969 Chevrolet 1500 C10 regular cab short bed is a beautifully preserved classic pickup, perfect for collectors and enthusiasts looking for a vintage truck with minimal miles. Finished in a classic green exterior, this truck retains the charm and style of late 1960s Chevrolet trucks while offering modern reliability through its automatic transmission. With only 7,538 miles since its restoration or build, this C10 is practically a time capsule, showcasing the clean lines and iconic styling that have made these trucks so desirable. The truck is paid off, comes with a clean title, and shows no significant issues, making it ready to drive, display at car shows, or add to a growing classic truck collection. For anyone seeking a low mileage, show quality 1969 1940 Lincoln Zephyr Sedan 4-door. Price: $27,000. Mileage: 300 miles. Location: Stephenville, Texas. This 1940 Lincoln Zephyr sedan is a meticulously ground-up restoration and a stunning example of classic American luxury. Finished in glossy black with a tan interior, the car retains its elegant 1940s styling while benefiting from modern restoration techniques. With only 300 miles since completion and an automatic transmission, it drives smoothly while preserving the timeless charm that made the Zephyr an icon. Restored by the owner's late father, A dedicated classic car restorer, this Lincoln Zephyr represents both pride and craftsmanship, making it a rare find for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a sophisticated pre-war American sedan. Perfect for car shows, weekend cruises, or adding to a classic collection. 1932 Ford GT Coupe 2-door. Price, $3,040. Mileage, 999,999 miles. Location, Watsonville, California. This 1932 Ford GT Coupe is a budget-friendly classic with a purple exterior and a bold, eye-catching style. Built for enthusiasts who love a project or a unique vintage ride, this coupe features a manual transmission and comes with a clean title. Though it shows high mileage, the vehicle is paid off and offers an affordable entry into the world of classic American cars. Perfect for restoration projects, collectors looking for a fun build, or anyone wanting a standout 1932 Ford, this GT Coupe is ready for its next chapter. Its vintage 1930s design and classic proportions make it a conversation starter, and with some care, it can shine as a true showpiece. Automobile. 1937 Plymouth Coupe, WDT/OBO. Price, $30,000. Location, Plano, Texas. This 1937 Plymouth Coupe is a classic American car with 350 V8 engine paired to a 350 automatic transmission, ready to run and drive. Finished in its original proportions, it commands attention wherever it goes, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a vintage hot rod project or show car. While the interior needs work, the seller includes the front glass, cracked, with painted frame and front seats for driving purposes. Additional features include a hydronic truck system with remote, adding functionality for modern use. The coupe is ideal for those looking to finish a custom build or enhance a classic collection, and the seller is open to trades or outright sale for serious offers. 1930 Ford Model A. Price, $12,000. Mileage, 99,999 miles. Location, Arlington, Texas. This classic 1930 Ford Model A is a vintage American icon, finished in black exterior with black interior. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives reliably, making it an excellent choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a classic early Ford. The car comes with a California title in the seller's name, ensuring a smooth transfer for serious buyers. With its timeless design and sturdy construction, this Model A is perfect for restoration, cruising, or showing at classic car events. A solid opportunity for anyone seeking a piece of automotive history at an affordable. 1932 Ford F1 Classic, Pro Street. Price, $33,000. Mileage, 12,345 miles. Location, Salem, Indiana. This 1932 Ford F1 Classic is a meticulously built pro street hot rod that blends classic 1930s styling with modern performance. Finished in silver exterior with black interior, this all-steel Tudor features an aluminum 350 Rodec V8 engine paired with a Power Glide automatic transmission and a fabricated 9-inch rear end, delivering strong performance and reliability. With 12,345 miles, a paid-off status, and over 3 previous owners, this Ford F1 is a perfect combination of classic aesthetics and modern drivability. Ideal for car shows, cruising, or adding a unique hot rod to your collection, this 1932 Ford F1 stands out with its 1931 Chevrolet hot rod. Price: $18,500. Mileage: 11,111 miles. Location: Groton, New York. Step back in time and experience the thrill of classic American hot rodding with this 1931 Chevrolet hot rod. This striking machine has been thoughtfully upgraded while keeping its vintage charm intact. Dressed in a bold blue exterior with a sleek black interior, it's a showstopper from every angle. Under the hood, a powerful 350-400 engine delivers exhilarating performance, paired with an automatic transmission for smooth, confident cruising. This hot rod isn't just about looks, it's built for comfort and modern drivability. It features disc brakes for superior stopping power, brand new tires for a smooth ride, power windows for convenience, and an air conditioning system, not yet hooked up, to add a touch of modern comfort to your classic ride. Every detail reflects careful craftsmanship and attention, making it ideal for both collectors and enthusiasts who want a ride that's as fun to drive as it is to show off.